Shut up, dog. Shut up.
So, I don't even know if you guys can hear me because the rain is so goddamn loud. So, I'm going to do part of it right here, just in case, you know. Do you guys want to see something cool? Sorry it's so loud, I can't control that. So my mom made me a scarf, and I can't wait to show you guys. It's not a normal scarf. It's a hat scarf, like, come on. Yeah, do you guys want some hat scarves? I mean, I can make some. I might charge you like $3 for just the yarn, but hey. Hey guys, how's it going? This is a weird inception, ain't it? It's not reading my face. Is there something wrong? Yo guys, it's Joe here. It's rainy and I'm not sure if you can hear me. Don't worry about that, I'm back. I'm back and better than ever. We're moving. I forgot my fucking keys. You guys stay inside.